Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad and so happy to see you once again in today's new video. In today's video, I'll be trading with OTC pairs because today is a day off and usually they're available during this time and also at night time. So I'll be combining OTC pairs with alligator indicator. So for those of you who do not know, I have a private chat in Telegram channel. I left a link down below. This link down below is a link to my personal chat. So write me with the code word money team, and then I'll be able to add you to this private chat, because in this private chat I always share my trading charts. I also share trading signals once a day. I also discuss anything about crypto. I also show you tricks how to be able to trade, and also you can be able to copy them and also be able to make some profit. So don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And so let's get trading. So hi friends, so as I said at the beginning of this video, I'll be trading with OTC currency pairs. Today is a weekend, so they're the only currency pairs that are available. Other currency pairs not available. So OTC currency pairs are only available during the weekend and at night time. They are pre-recorded by the broker so that you can be able to trade during this time as well. So these OTC currency pairs, they only support technical analysis. They do not support fundamental analysis. And also I'll be combining OTC currency pairs with the alligator indicator. So if you remember, as I always say, alligator indicator is just an auxiliary tool, just like all other indicators. You need to conduct technical analysis first before you can be able to use the indicators. You need to look at the support level, resistance level, the movement of the price up and downwards before you can be able to combine with the indicators and be able to receive good results. So let me show you how to open this indicator. So I'm clicking this button at the lower left corner, and in the list of indicators I'm selecting alligator. I'll leave the settings in default, but I'll make the moving averages a little bit thicker. And on the chart, I think, as you can see, the alligator indicator. So how do you make this indicator work? And what is the signal for opening a trade? So the signal is when the green moving average is crossing over the red moving average from bottom to top, and this intersection will be the signal for you to enter the market with an up trade. And also the opposite happens when the green moving average is crossing over the red moving average from top to bottom. It will indicate you have to enter the market with a down trade, and it also indicates that the price will be falling. And if the moving averages are moving close to each other and diverging gradually, it also indicates that anytime soon there will be a moving down. But all of this really depends on the market situation, because all market situations are different. So I want to show you how to trade. I want to open a fast trade and show you how to use this indicator with OTC currency pairs. So it was a very steady movement upwards. Then price reserved from this point and it's now falling down, and green moving average has crossed the red one from top to bottom. So I'll open a 2-minute trade with down because the situation shows that there will be movement down. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. So analyzing the situation, the price has trended down and it has brought me my profit. And this indicator has showed a very good entry point and helped me understand the movement of the price. The price has broken the internal level of support and then moved further. But let me continue. So analyzing this situation, this is the level of resistance, and this was a very steady uptrend. The price has rolled from this level and it's now trending towards it again. Well, observing the indicator, I can see the crossing and moving averages are moving further from each other, and it shows that there will be movement up here. So I entered the market with an up trade for 2 minutes, expecting breakout of the level. So analyzing this situation, a pullback down occurred and then price has impulsively gone up. It has brought me my profit and the indicator showed very good entry points and helped me understand price movement. So let me continue. Well, here the price has reversed from the level of resistance and now it's going down. The indicator shows that the price will be falling. So I'll enter the market with a down trade for 2 minutes, expecting the price to enter the internal level of support. And I've set this time in case of a small flat or pullback up. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. Analyzing this situation, I can see that price has trended downwards to the internal level of support and then it was a pullback upwards. Well, the indicator was correct here again, so let me continue trading. So analyzing this is a level of support and the downtrend is occurring and a small pullback up is happening right now. And according to the indicator, I can see that the moving averages have crossed and they are moving further from each other. So I'll enter the market with a down trade for 2 minutes here and wait for the results of this trade. So analyzing the situation, the price has trended down and it has brought me my profit. So this time was enough here, so let me continue trading. So this is the level of support. The price has hit this level, then rolled back up, and after this it is moving down. And looking at the indicator, it signals movement down. So I opened the down trade for 2 minutes and I'll wait for the results of this trade. Well, analyzing this situation, the price has trended down and I've got my profit from this transaction. The indicator again helped me, so let me continue trading. Analyzing the situation, here is the impulsive movement upwards and the indicator signals that the price will be rising. So here I think I'll enter the market for 1 minute with an up trade, because the price is impulsive and there is still a place to the resistance level. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. Analyzing this trade, price trended upwards and it has brought me my profit. So this indicator again showed a very good entry point. So let me continue trading. So this is another situation. This is the level of support. Price charts are becoming smaller and this is the downtrend. The indicator shows that moving averages are moving further from each other and it says that there will be movement down for some time. So I think I'll enter the market for 3 minutes with a down trade because price is likely to trend to the support level and then go down. So let's wait and see the results of the trade. So analyzing this trade, price has trended down and it has brought me my profits, and it's all thanks to the indicator that really helped me again. So the price impulsively broke through this level and then went lower and then rolled back up. So let me continue trading. Well, here we can see that there has been a very good uptrend. The price has hit the level of resistance and then rolled back down. And after that, the price is moving to this level and moving along this. So looking at the indicator, I can see that the moving averages are moving further from each other. It also shows that there will be movement upwards very soon. So I'm entering the market with an up trade for 2 minutes and I'll wait for the results of this trade. Analyzing the situation, the price broke through this level and went up. So it has brought me my profits, and the indicator again helped me to understand the price movement. So I'm ready to continue. Well, on the chart, you're observing the level of resistance and the price is exiting the flat zone, and the moving averages are moving further from each other, which shows that anytime soon there will be the movement upwards. And I think that price will hit this level. So I'm entering the market with an up trade for 2 minutes and wait for the results of this trade. Well, analyzing the situation, I observe that price has trended to the level and I've got my profit, and the indicator showed a very good entry point. So let me go on. Well, analyzing this is the level of resistance. The price lows are becoming higher and the price has been moving along this level and it's now starting to break through it. So I'll enter the market with an up trade for 1 minute because I think that price will be raising for a while. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. So analyzing this trade, price rolled back down and moved high, and I've got my profit. And the indicator again really helped me. So let me continue trading. Well, at the bottom of the chart, this is a level of support. There was a very good downtrend. The price hit this level, then rolled back up, and now it is again trending to the level. Well, here you can observe the small flat, and the price is moving along this level, and after the intersection the moving averages are moving further from each other. Well, I'll enter the market with a down trade for 2 minutes and I expect the price to be trending to the level of support. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. Well, analyzing the situation, the price has trended down and it has brought me excellent profit. So let me continue trading. So looking at the situation, this is a level of resistance. The price is trending up very impulsively and starting to break through this level. So the moving averages are moving further from each other, and I'll enter the market with an up trade for 2 minutes. And I expect that soon they break out of the level because the price has all the strength to go up. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. So analyzing this situation, there was the breakout of the level and I've got my profit. The indicator was right again. So let me go on trading. So this is another situation. This is the internal level of support. The price broke through this level and is going down here. The moving averages are moving further from each other and it shows that they will be moving down soon. So I think I'll enter the market with a down trade for 2 minutes and I'll expect the price to keep on trending to the main support level. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. So analyzing the situation, the flat occurred, then moving down resumed, and I've got my profit. So the indicator helped me understand this point. So and now my balance is $6,000, and I want to find the last transaction for today. Well, it's another situation, and right now it is a movement upwards occurring to the level of resistance. So I will enter the market with an up trade for 1 minute and wait for the results of this trade. Well, looking at this trade, the price trended upwards and there was the breakout of the level. It has brought me my profit, and now my price is $8,000, and the indicator really helped me show me a good entry point. So I think I'll stop trading here for today. So guys, as you saw today, my trading was successful. All the situations in the market were relatively good, and I'm very glad I was able to combine OTC currency pairs with alligator indicator. But I will emphasize this once again: all indicators are just auxiliary tools. You need to brush up on your skills of using technical analysis, because technical analysis is very important in all crypto trades. You need to look at the support level, you need to look at the resistance level, you need to look at how the price is going higher and how the price is going lower before you can be able to add the indicator and also follow the signals from the indicator. So if you want to learn about all of this, I invite you to my private chat in Telegram channel. I have a private chat there. I left a link down below. This link is a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word money team, and then I'll be able to add you to this private chat so that you can be able to learn about all these indicators, be able to learn how to trade, be able to learn how to analyze technical analysis, be able to receive trading signals once a day that I post there, and be able to discuss anything that you want to discuss about crypto trading. And also, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any ideas for any new videos that you want. And also don't forget to hit that notification button. Until next time, bye bye.